Yes, hello everyone. This is another beautiful song sung by Sharon Lewis. If ever I see you again, and this song is dedicated to all of you. I love you all. When I wrote my life, how I could ever let you go. There's not a lot a change in my life, but one thing that I know, if ever I see you again, maybe this time it will work out alright. Maybe this time we won't say goodnight, but only goodnight, with a love that won't end. If ever I see you again, one sleepy morning, walking up next to you, feeling you close by my side. Nothing other has ever felt better than the feeling I felt deep inside. Sometimes I think that I never lost you, and that you're not really gone. 'Cause I have this dream, this wonderful dream, and it just goes on and goes on.